All right, this is a video for Math Models Unit 8, Lesson 7, Annuities. An annuity is a type of investment, usually like for retirement, where you invest money every month or every quarter, or every year, and it gains interest, but you can't take any of the money out of the account until you are in retirement. So we're going to use a calculator. They have us using a calculator, like a handheld calculator, but since you probably don't have that, we're going to see what we can do with an online version that I found. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm jumping all the way down to number 2, which is where the actual problems start. It says here that you plan to deposit $1,500 quarterly for 35 years at 7% interest compounded monthly. How much will you have in the account in 35 years? So the values that we're looking at are going to be the amount of the deposit, how frequently, and they said we're going to deposit it quarterly. So this has daily, weekly, all the way up to annually. So we're going to do quarterly, and we're depositing $1,500 every quarter. And then it says 7% interest, and it's going to be 35 years. 35 years, 7% interest. Calculate the future value, and it says it's going to be worth $900,000. Okay, so you can see the thing about that you have to understand is that every calculator that does an annuity is probably going to be slightly different, but you should be getting an answer close enough to be pretty sure. So the future value is going to be 900,000. None of the other answers are even close. So choose the one that's the closest to what you have. And actually, I'm going to check to see. No, it doesn't matter what you pick here. I think you're going to know that's the answer pretty well based on that. I know it's a little weird, but each calculator, even between two different handheld calculators, you get two different answers on these. So just get the one that's the closest. Next problem, just to do another one. You plan to deposit $400 monthly. Okay, so let's go back up here and we'll select monthly. And we'll change it to $400. And we are going to do it at 5% and 30 years. So 30 years, 5%. Let's calculate the future value, $334,000. So I'll choose 336,000. It's pretty close. So that's about as good as it's going to get. It's not going to get much closer than that. The rest of these are more or less the same. Number 4. All right. This one, you're going to need to do it a little bit differently. We're going to, let me show you how this one's going to go. So you are going to have to kind of do this in reverse. So you're going to need to try these numbers out and see which of them gets you 2.5 million. Okay, so what I mean by that is I'm going to do, it says you want to do it monthly deposits, and we don't know, so we'll start with the biggest one, 4,166. 0.67, and then we're going to do 50 years, and it's going to be at 7.5%. So notice I'm just choosing the first answer choice and seeing if when I calculate, do I get 2.5 million? So I get 27 million, way too high. So then we're going to go choose another one. Let's try 378.47. 378.47, and we'll calculate. Everything else is the same. I just changed the deposit amount. Okay, there we go. 2,499,000. That is almost exactly. So that's got to be our answer. So do the similar thing, just change the parts of the answer. It's like this one, just do each number until you find the answer that gets you the number they're asking for. Same with number 6, number 7, number 8. Okay, now number 8, I'm going to make another video for this. So I'm going to pause this video here, and I'll come back for another video here shortly for number 8.